Hey, good morning, guys. I'm sitting here getting ready to make a dish or something. Actually, I'm making some deviled eggs, but I'm gonna do fried deviled eggs. And I said, you know what? Let me show y'all how I'm doing it, and maybe somebody could try for tomorrow. Um, so y'all can watch what I'm doing here, I guess. I'm gonna need 2 plates when I start to fry this. So the way I boil my eggs, you can see that when I boil my eggs, look how beautiful that is. There's no dark ring around the edge of the egg. Um, raising chickens and having eggs to cook all the time for years, you learn how to boil eggs kind of perfect, really. So you don't get that dark green ring around the outside of the egg, because that means it started cooking that yolk too much. You were overcooking it. All right, so what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to make fried devil eggs. All right, so I'm going to get my cast iron skillet out. Get me a little oil in here. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is, got me a dozen eggs I boiled. Okay, I need 2 more eggs. I need 2 more eggs. And if you look at my eggs, ain't they pretty? Brown and blue. You get a brown and a blue egg out. Actually, they say that the blue eggs had less of the bad cholesterol in it. Okay. All right, let me separate these. It's hard to let y'all see everything I'm doing. I really need to have the camera further back. I'm just not really set up. I was just doing this and just decided I wanted to show you guys. I hope 2 eggs is enough. Let me pour that in here. If it's not enough, I'll have to break out some more, but I'll do what I can with this. All right, here's some fish fry. Now you can use fish fry, or you can use breadcrumbs. I was going to use breadcrumbs at first, but I wanted to try with the fish fry. You know what? I'm going to get some breadcrumbs, and I'm going to make some with the breadcrumbs too. So I'll do I'll do half of them with the fish fry, and the other half with breadcrumbs. Okay. Now I'm sorry. When you're cooking with cast iron, you guys, before you start using it, you need your whole pot needs to be hot. So a good thing to do is right here where the handle comes in, you can feel right here, like it's starting to get hot. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab a egg and dip it in egg, and then dip it in here. Get a couple of them ready while they're still waiting for it to heat up. It could be a little hotter, but it's a good start. Gets me started right here. See, this just adds something a little different to the deviled egg. Be something different to try this year. Don't ever be afraid to change what you're so used to eating every year after year after year. Oh, this smells so good. Let's see if I can get it over here, maybe. This way, huh? Does that help a little bit? Let's see. Take them out now. Okay, you guys. All right, so that half is done. And so this is fried with a fish fry. Okay, and then I'm gonna stuff them, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the other ones done, and then I gotta mix up. Then I gotta mix up the stuffing. Okay, got breadcrumbs going on this one. this out. This one out. Flip this one. Flip that one. Okay, so these are done with breadcrumbs. Okay. I didn't know I was going to be doing a cooking video today, you guys. Alright guys. I got the dishes cleaned up, the stove cleaned up, and okay, now I'm mixing up some mayo with the egg yolks. My secret ingredient, the missing ingredient, is a little Caesar's creamy salad dressing. Okay guys, here we go. Okay, well, here we go guys. Make a shot. Oh my God. Okay, that was awesome. It adds an awesome kick to it. Okay. All right, we got those. Now we got these over here, which is the ones with the breadcrumbs. And let me go ahead. Give a little taste on this one. Okay. Now, I'm a seafood lover, you guys. But here, I like the breadcrumbs better than the fish fry. I think it's just got a better taste with it. So we're gonna probably eat these today, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Again, this is fried deviled eggs, fried with breadcrumbs. Fried deviled eggs, fried with fish fry. All right, that just gives you a little idea of something. You know, you can mess with it your own self. Maybe come up with your own batter. Maybe you have a family secret batter that you make things with. Well, fry your eggs up in them and give it a shot. See what people think. I think it's something different, something cool, something good, and I like them. Out of the two, I feel like the breadcrumbs taste the best. I'm gonna probably be the ones eating the fish fry, so I'm gonna eat a few of those as soon as we sign off here. And all right, you guys, thanks for signing in today. I had no idea I was gonna do a cook video, and but I wanted to make some. We got tons of eggs, and been wanting to make this now for a couple of weeks. And so here it is. All right, you guys, you be blessed. You have a happy Thanksgiving, and see you guys on the next video.